I like it. Everything's working. Today we have a vandalized Dodge Caravan. In this video we're going to replace the side window glass on 4th generation Dodge Caravan. Yeah, in details, yeah, shouldn't be a big of a deal. We'll get it done. Let's get started. Here's a replacement window glass. I got it from a junkyard for $15. As a temporary measure, I patched the broken window glass hole with a plastic black garbage bag. It worked. It helped to keep all weather elements away from the cab, and now we have to get it fixed. You cannot drive with a black garbage bag. Well, of course you can, but I cannot see the mirror, and yeah, this is our project for today. First, let's remove the garbage bag. Now we can see the scale of the problem. We have missing trim. It's gone. I don't have it. And some warpage on a weather trim. Minor. Yeah. Let's see. Inside looks pretty good. No scuffs, no cuts, nothing's damaged. Just missing window glass. Turn the key to the on position and see if our window regulator works. Oh yeah, everything's electrically in touch. We just need a glass. Good. First, I'm going to remove the inside door panel with a Phillips screwdriver. One Phillips screw right at the bottom of the grab handle compartment. Let's remove that guy. Here you go, our first screw. All small fasteners in place. We'll need them. Yeah, don't lose. Put it in a tray. Phillips screw just behind the inside door handle. Let's remove that guy too. Here we go. Now I'm going to pry the bottom part of the door panel out and undo those clips behind and lift it up, and it should come off. For the job we need a plastic pry bar. You can use a screwdriver, but most likely you will leave the scratch marks on the plastic. And just try to grab the edge, go underneath. Just try like that. On this board, nice. On the top, wiggle. Okay, let's pull it up like so. Get the lock in. Let's disconnect the door handle connecting arm. There's a plastic retainer clip. Just carefully pry this black part up like that and pull the rod out. Simple with that, as you can see. Disconnect the electrical connector for the automatic door locks, and for the window regulator, small screwdriver. Just get it underneath the clip, pry it carefully and pull it out. Same for the window regulator controls. Here we go. And now door panel is removed. As you can see, here we have a duct tape. I mean, someone was here before doing some repairs. I don't know what. Let's remove this plastic shield. To get better access inside the door, I'm going to remove the speaker as well. There's only 4 Phillips screws. Let's remove those. Screws are removed. Let's pull the speaker out, unplug it. Remove this plastic completely. There we go. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, we have tons of glass, shattered tempered glass. There's a one mounting bracket still on to the rail, and there's another mounting point for the sliding glass. There's a bracket. Yep, broken. And yeah, and it looks like that. Tons of glass. We have to vacuum and get ready for the installation. Let's remove this inner weather seal panel like that. Just pry it out and it will come off. We need to have this extra space to put a window in. There we go. It came right out. It just clips on the edge of the door. Let's clean the rail as well. As you can see, there was a chance of glass stuck in a channel. We have to get rid of all of that shattered glass to make our new glass window to slide properly. Let's vacuum the glass as fast as we can. That vacuum interior a little bit. We'll do the big cleanup later, but make sure we don't have that shattered glass. That's good for now. A little better. Before installing, I'm going to clean it with a Windex, because later we won't get access to this part, and yeah, might as well, why not. Before putting a new glass in, I like to try to straighten this weather seal edge. As you can see, it's wavy and bent just as much as I can. Please take a second to subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. On the bottom of the window glass we have two mounting points, two brackets with the pins, how they attach to another part of the bracket to the rail. This one's from the front. I just pull it out, and as you can see, it's all broken, but one is still attached. Yeah, let's remove that part of the bracket. Okay, let's see inside. Here we go, and as you can see here, it's still in place. That's how it mounted. And over here, as you can see, this little guy, that's a hairstyle cutter pin. Yeah, we have to pull it out and get that bracket out. There we go. Pin is out, and the rest of the, there's a pin, we will need it. And here's another pin still attached to the plastic holding bracket. There we go. Two lock-in cutter pins, we'll need them. And here's our glass. Let's put it in WD-40 just to improve the lubrication. Caravans are known for such a slow windows going up and down due to all that dirt and grime build up inside the channel. They dried up, they don't move good anymore. Yeah, just a little bit of WD-40 helps to slide the window faster. Yeah, won't hurt. Good. The window in from one side, like that. All the way. down. Get it on the channel. Grab it. Slide it in. Get it in a channel on both sides. Align it. Get this corner inside the channel. Push it up. Then align this guy. And when it's in, I'll go up like that. You can see it will go all the way and load it down to align our plastic brackets on the bottom. Okay, let's align the pins on both sides. Our window is in. All right, good. I'll show you just in a sec how it looks like. Just not enough room to fill. Okay, this is it. Push it and get this caravan in. Slide it, yeah, and it's locked. Push it like that. We'll go to a certain point and lock. Okay, let's do the same thing on another side. This one's actually easy to fill. And yeah, the caravan is ready. Push this and go all the way in. Make sure this slot will get clear through the plastic, and then you can put this cutter pin over here in between this plastic divider. Push it in. Here we go, and it's done. It's in on both sides. Awesome. Didn't take long. Think before you do anything. And yeah, we got it. Let's see how it looks like. We have a window in. It's all attached. It's proper place. And as you can see here, and it's in a channel down below. What we want to see. The pin is in. Window won't accidentally get loose and fall inside the door. Same on the other side. Yeah, beautiful. And as you can see, it's all straight. Before putting the inner door panel, I like to check an operation of the new glass window. Make sure everything's going up and down smooth, no binding, no wedging. And as you can see here, I have switches reconnected. And yeah, before doing that, let's spray a little bit of WD-40 to lubricate a track inside this guy, where our plastic bracket will slide. Don't need much, that's it. Same on this side as well, like that. It will get spreaded. And also, why not lube our door lock mechanism? Make sure it's all lube as well. It hasn't been lubed. Yeah, something like that. Lubricant is our best friend. Well, let's see how everything's working. Turn the key to the on position and check the window operation. Here we go. Here's my window control. Yeah, it's going up all the way. It's going down. Not too bad. Start the vehicle and see if window will go up faster. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, fast as it can go. I like it. Everything's working how it should. Not too bad for 21 years old Dodge Caravan. Yeah, I'm gonna close the window and keep it up. Awesome. Oh, our door lock should work with the key off, and as you can see, yeah, it's working. Nothing jammed. Let's have one on another side. Good. Well, everything works. That's good. Now I'm going to put an inner door panel back, reconnect the door handle, all those electrical connectors. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah, we'll see you in a second. Pull some of the plastic retaining clips from the door. They may get stuck, and transfer them to the door panel like that. Sometimes they get pulled out, and we need to get them back. There we go, like that. Another one. There's one. Came straight from the door, as you can see here. And we'll try to push this one in like that. Sometimes it does work. They're pretty brittle, can break. One more. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. I appreciated that. Yeah, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.